A fountain is a great way to add a water feature to your yard. The London Falls Aztec Water Kit is an easy way to do just that. For added beauty, you can add the optional fire kit. Hoffman Brothers has a large selection of LondonStone retaining wall systems, London pavers, and London outdoor living kits. Our sales yard is located at the northeast corner of Highway 65 and Viking Boulevard in East Bethel. The London Falls kit can be installed on an existing patio paver or concrete slab. For the demonstration, we will place it on the ground. The outside dimension is 54.5 inches deep by 69.5 inches. To prepare the site, excavate a slightly larger area 7 to 8 inches down. Fill with Class 5 or Class 2 crushed materials and compact with a plate compactor. The compacted material should be 1 to 2 inches below grade. Setting up a string line will help keep the walls square. Begin installing the base course units as shown in the instructions. Leave a small gap between 2 units in the front on side wall. Units must be level from front to back and side to side. You may need to add or remove small amounts of material. Use a dead blow hammer to help in placing the units. Apply a bead of concrete adhesive between courses to secure units. Install second course as shown in the instructions. There will be a gap left in the middle wall to run a hose through. Install the third course. Make sure material in the middle is level and set the basin in place. Place the pump in the basin and run the power cord out the front gap. Place hose from front of basin through gap left in the middle wall as shown. Add shutoff valve to top of pump. Glue hose fitting into front of basin. Connect the shutoff on the pump to the fitting in the basin as shown in the instructions. To install the fire kit, find the groove in top of the basin. Measure 2 inches back from recessed area and mark center of groove. Drill a 2-inch hole in top of basin. Drill a 1 1/4 inch hole inside of basin. Center of hole should be down 3/4 inch from under lip and 1 inch from bump out under lip. Connect elbows to copper section. Insert copper section through hole inside of basin. Connect elbows on burner. Connect the LP regulator to the copper section, making sure all connections are tight. Connect to the LP tank and turn tank on. Use soapy water to check for leaks. Turn tank off to complete final steps. Cut a 5/8 inch wide slot 9.5 inches from back of basin. Cut hose from pump 13 inches from elbow. Glue a T onto the line. Install the hose to the burner, clamping one end to the elbow and the other to the fitting on the burner. Test the pump and burner. Fill the basin with water. Put the end of the hose in the tank and plug in the pump. Turn the regulator and LP tank on and use a long match or lighter to light the fire. Be sure to turn regulator off and unplug pump before proceeding. Install additional courses as shown in the directions. With a saw or brick chisel, cut a groove for regulator hose. If you wish, with additional block, an enclosure can be built to contain the LP tank. Add another course on the middle and back wall. Start the last course. Place the spillway in the middle of the middle wall, flush with course. Glue hose into fitting on spillway. Replace the spillway. The bottom should hang over about an inch over the wall. Place a couple blocks behind the spillway to stabilize it. Before the adhesive dries, remove the blocks shown. Put LED light in place, running the cord for the light out the middle wall. Now replace the blocks. Plug in pump to test the connection to the spillway. Lay down adhesive and place Aztec units on for caps as shown. Put lava rock around the burner. Place rock of your choice on top of basin and in the void between the basin and the walls. Your Aztec London Falls is now ready to use. As beautiful as it looks in the daylight, it really shines at night. We have shown the general instructions for installing the Aztec London Falls kit. More detailed instructions are included with the kit. Please carefully read and follow those directions. Hoffman Brothers offers the full line in LondonStone retaining and freestanding walls, London pavers, and LondonStone outdoor living kits, as well as base materials, stone, and other items to finish your project. Stop by our office for the latest LondonStone catalog and to see our displays, or visit us online at hoffmanbrotherssod.com.